Ano po sa tingin niyo ang comment niyo sa nangyayari ngayon sa Universal Healthcare Program? Are we doing more or are we doing an improvement na ba from sa ginagawa nating plano for universal healthcare?
Meron naman talagang improvement. But again, I go back to what I have been saying since the time this law was passed. Nung pinasa yung batas kasi, nagkaroon ng dalawang killer provision na dapat amyendahan. Ang naging mahirap kasi because the authors of the bill refused to accept that it's not a perfect law. Ganun naman talaga, walang perfecto. Unang-una, kung tingnan mo ang Universal Healthcare Law, ang naging spearhead is basically PhilHealth. Hindi ganun eh. It should be the Department of Health. The DOH was vilified. Siniraan ang departamento, kaya napilitan yung mga mambabatas na gawing PhilHealth ang major implementer ng universal healthcare. That cannot happen because it's the Department of Health. Pangalawa, siniraan ang sistema by saying that clinical trials should finish phase 4 before tanggapin ng Pilipinas any vaccine, device, or medicine. Sa buong mundo, give me a country that requires phase 4 for each clinical trial. Wala eh. We were brought back to the Stone Age. So how can you have universal healthcare kung yung gamot na ginagamit ng buong mundo ay gagamitin muna nila ng 5 hanggang 10 taon before i-allow ng Pilipinas? Yung bakuna gagamitin muna ng 5 hanggang 10 taon dun sa ibang mga bansa before papasukin sa Pilipinas. By the time na pinapasok natin, wala na, obsolete na siya kasi nagbago ulit. So these are 2 killer provisions in the universal healthcare. Kasi sa universal healthcare, hindi naman pwedeng walang gamot, walang bakuna, walang medical device. We have to accept that if we just base it on nature alone, kaya nga may siyensya i-combine natin yung nature at yung siyensya. So if we don't amend those 2 killer provisions, the good promises of the universal healthcare cannot be 100% implemented.